Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use your Artistly API key to import images in TalkingPhotos AI. This is the new version 3.5 update. So I'll break this down into two steps. In step 1, we're going to be setting up your API keys. And then step 2 will be importing the images from Artistly to TalkingPhotos. So let's start with setting up the API keys. So I'm logged into my Artistly account. This is the home page. Start by clicking on your profile name in the top right corner and then choose Profile. You'll be redirected here. Then scroll down to the API information section. And this is the API key that I generated. If you're doing this for the first time, just click on Generate New API Key and then click on Copy API Key. Now let's head over to TalkingPhotos. And then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And you'll see this dialog box pop up. Enter your Artistly API key into this box here. And then click Save. So we've completed the setting up of the API keys. Now let's move on to step number 2, which is essentially importing your images from Artistly to TalkingPhotos. So I'm back in the TalkingPhotos account. Click on Tools at the top, and then from these options, choose Import from Artistly. You'll be redirected to this page. Please note that you can only import 9:16 and 16:9 aspect ratio images. So let me scroll down, and I'll select these 3 images. Then I'll scroll back up, and then click on Import. It'll then begin the process of importing the images. And if you go to the media library at the top, you'll see several folders here. Click on this folder which reads My Artistly Images. And here are the 3 images that we just imported. You can then use these images in your projects. So let me just quickly show you how. So I'll click on Create Video at the top. And from these options, I'll choose Singing. And for the style, I'll choose this one. And then click on Next. For the aspect ratio, I'll go with the vertical option and then click on Create New Character. And in this section, you can click this button which reads Use Directly from Library, which will essentially open the media library. And if you click on the My Artistly Images folder, you can choose any of the images that you imported. So for this demo, I'll just choose this one. And then click on Select. And as you can see, here is the image. You can then follow the rest of the process. I've created several tutorials to show you how to use different features of TalkingPhotos, so feel free to check them out. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.